lastly, I would like to ask you, doctor, how does menopause affect our bone and joint health?
So, like I've already said, there is a lot of hormonal issues going on. तो उसमें सबसे most important hormone is your estrogen. The moment a woman reaches 30-35 age, she starts losing a lot of estrogen. Estrogen is one binding hormone which is very important for calcium absorption, vitamin D absorption, which strengthens your bone. तो जैसे ही वो उसका लेवल कम होने लगता है, वैसे ही absorption कम होने लगता है. So that is the reason why after menopause, estrogen hormone ना होने के वजह से या कम होने के वजह से we've got lot of bone loss, bone formation नहीं हो पाती है and all of those things. So इस वजह से weakening शुरू हो जाती है.
How do we tackle this issue?
So ma'am, there are multiple things. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था, there are एक चीज पे फोकस नहीं रखना है. There are multiple things that we can do. So medications, yes, I'm not denying the fact that medications are not important. लेकिन आजकल सब लोग एक ही चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं, which is कैल्शियम ले लो आप ठीक हो जाओगे, विटामिन डी ले लो आप ठीक हो जाओगे. But no one focuses on this thing that calcium and vitamin D are essential for our body. But वो absorb कैसे होंगे बॉडी में? वो absorb होंगे दो तीन और चीजें हैं जो मैं एड्रेस करना चाहूंगा. वो है the vitamin K levels. Vitamin K is also one of the important factors, and magnesium levels. So आप ले रहे हो कैल्शियम, ले रहे हो विटामिन डी, ले रहे हो, very good. But for them to absorb into the bone, absorb into the body, the intake of magnesium and vitamin K are very important. They help absorb the calcium in the bone, and that makes the bone stronger. So that is medications. Medications में calcium, जैसे general calcium intake almost 1000 milligrams per day a woman requires that. Probably that is pre-menopause, or post-menopause almost 1200 milligrams per day. अगर vitamin D की बात करें तो she requires somewhere around 600 international units per day of vitamin D before menopause. After menopause she requires probably more, जैसे 800 international units हो गए. Apart from these, अपना zinc, magnesium and vitamin K are also essential nutrients जो उन्हें लेने चाहिए. That is medications. Nutrition wise, I won't get into the details. Nutrition में सब कुछ लेना चाहिए which absorb, which have calcium and vitamin D. And third is exercise. So combination of these three therapies can actually help prevent bone loss or bone जैसे ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस हो गया, जैसे बोन वीकनेस जो होता है, these three things can tackle it.
Okay, I thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. I think we got a very beautiful insight into about women's health and women's bone and joint health with incredible knowledge with Dr. Akash Tiwari. Hope everybody will follow these lines and take into consideration these fitness tips and follow a healthier and fitter life.